Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video. And if you have missed previous airdrops like Arbitrum etc., do not miss this one. This airdrop is very special and it's very easy to do. The steps are very simple and we have prepared a guide on how much it is going to cost. So it will not cost that much. So there are no reasons to not do this airdrop. If you have $15 spare, you can participate in this airdrop. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's go to the screen and let's get started. So like every airdrop, we will start with thread on Crypto Cult Twitter. So if you want to participate in airdrop that we have not yet made videos on, you can do it before anyone else by following us on Twitter and Telegram. So what is required for this? We'll do it step by step. I have also not done it. So what do you get in this thread is written here and all the links are here. Make sure to use these links only because there are a lot of scams going on and you do not want to be scammed in crypto. It's very easy to get scammed. So to be eligible, we need to create transaction volume. That is, we need to do a lot of transactions and create a certain amount of volumes. We need to connect our wallet with Aptos bridge and we need to hold roughly $200 worth of tokens in these denominations, and then we need to bridge them across each other. So I have my MetaMask here set up, so don't worry, go to the MetaMask video if you what MetaMask is or how to set it up. And here is the Aptos bridge. Let's click on this. So we need to use the Aptos bridge by connecting our wallet and we need to send funds across chain, and this is the calculation that our team has done on how much it is going to cost you. So first we need to transfer from Optimism to Aptos. We will be using USDC token and the $50 amount that will carry a $1 fees, and the volume generated with this will be $50. And here you can also see all the calculations that were done by our team. So the fees is total $12.27, amount you need is $200, and the volume you will be able to generate is roughly $1,127. This is the capital that you need. This is the expense you will have. You will need to pay around $13 in fees. This is the volume you'll generate, and this is the number of transaction you will generate if you follow this. I will tell you how to do these. Now we need to go to Aptos bridge and connect our MetaMask here. As you can see, I have connected my MetaMask, and now we need to connect an Aptos wallet. So when you set up your MetaMask, you'll get a new secret phrase or a private key. You just need to use that with another wallet. So I have chosen Martian wallet for that. Here is the website for Martian wallet, and you can go here at martianwallet.xyz. We also put that link into our Twitter thread, so you can download it from there also. So now I have downloaded it and set it up, and as you can see, so let's do from Arbitrum to Aptos and get started. So we have Arbitrum, we have roughly $50 worth of USDC and some Ethereum on Arbitrum, and I'll click on transfer. It will ask me to increase the spending cap, so we do it max and next and approve. It will ask for confirmation and it will ask us to claim our transaction. So let's click on OK.
A few moments later.
Now once the bridging is done, you need to go and claim this on the Aptos wallet. For that you need some amount of Aptos in your wallet. So here I have roughly 2 Aptos coins here, and I'll just click on claim, and now it will ask me, and the estimated gas fees is 0.005 Aptos, so it's very low. So don't worry, if you just have one Aptos, you can use that. Once done, the transaction will be completed and my USDC will go from my Arbitrum wallet to my Aptos wallet. So this is the Arbitrum to Aptos transaction. You can just go and make a copy of this and color it so you know that you have done this one. Next, I will do from Polygon to Aptos, and for that we will also use the Aptos bridge. I'll switch my network on my MetaMask wallet, and here as you can see, I'll switch it to Polygon, and now I'll select USDC on Polygon network, and you can see I have some USDC on my MetaMask. I'll click on max and then click on transfer. Now it will ask me to increase the spending cap. I'll click on next and approve. And you're wondering why I am sending 97 USDC from Polygon to Aptos when we have to send just 50. It's because I do not have balance on my Optimism, so I'll bridge it in reverse. You'll know in some times. The transaction was submitted. Here it will show the time it will take for the bridging. So it shows around 21 minutes 9 seconds or something left. So while this is happening, I'll transfer the other part. So we have done from Polygon to USDC. Let's make it green again, and now let's do from Aptos to Optimism, because currently my Optimism balance is 0, so I'll need to send it from Aptos to Optimism. Then I'll do this one also. So let's go to the Aptos bridge and swap this here. So now we are sending from Aptos to Optimism. On MetaMask, I'll go and select Optimism. As you can see, I do not have much funds on Optimism. I just have $16 in Ethereum for gas fees. So let's select the token. We have USDC, so $54 we need, and on MetaMask, we will receive roughly $54. Let's click on transfer, click on approve, and this is also submitted. Now it shows max time is 2879 minutes and 53 seconds or something. So that is roughly 2 days it will take. So we'll have to wait for that much time, I guess. This can also be marked green now. So now we need to send from Optimism to Aptos, that is remaining, and then from Aptos to Polygon. So for this, I'll wait for my Optimism balance to arrive, and for this I'll wait for my Polygon balance to arrive. Till then we can do rest of the steps. First is we need to go to Stargate Finance. So on CryptoCurl's Twitter thread you can find Stargate bridge here. So click on this, it will open their website, and here we need to connect our wallet. So let's click on MetaMask, and what we need to do here is we need to send from Polygon to Arbitrum, and we need to send $100. And right now my Polygon account is empty, so let me just withdraw from an exchange to my wallet and continue with the steps. I've gone and added some USDC to my Polygon wallet, and now let's continue the process. So what we are doing today, we are going from Polygon to Arbitrum, and we are sending $100 worth of USDC. So let's start, and max amount is 101. So let's send that. We are going to send it to Arbitrum, and click on transfer, click on max, next, and approve. Go to confirm, and the transfer will start. It will take roughly 21 minutes and 19 seconds. So let's just color the screen and wait for this to complete. So we have finally received the amount on our Arbitrum wallet. So as you can see, we have 15.93 Ethereum here on Arbitrum, so that we can pay the fees. And on USDC side, we received 101 USDC here. So now we'll swap it from Arbitrum to Optimism and click on transfer. It will ask for approval again. Click on max. This is the spending cap, so always do it max or the amount you want to transfer. Then click on approve, and it will start confirmation process. Click on confirm here, and the transaction is now submitted. So again, this will take around 6 minutes. So we will go here, and we have now transferred from Arbitrum to Optimism, and we will mark it as green. So we are estimating that you will transfer $150. I had $100, so I'll just transfer that. Overall volume I like to keep over $1,000, so I can spare $50 here. Now I need to send from Optimism to Avalanche, then Avalanche to Phantom, and Phantom to Polygon, Phantom to Arbitrum, Phantom to Optimism. So how that will happen, we'll just go here on Stargate and change the networks here, and similarly we will change the network here where we are receiving, and steps will be same. It is going to take a lot of time, and I need to get this video out as soon as possible, so I'm not showing those steps. Now let's go to the next one, that is liquid swap, and we need to swap Aptos to USDC. So here we are on liquid swap. Let's click on this and connect your wallet. We have the Martian wallet, so let's connect this, click on approve, and we are now here. So on liquid swap, we need to transfer our Aptos and get some USDC. So that means we need to sell. So let's go to USDC, and we need $20 worth of Aptos. So that is 2 Aptos here. So you need to have some Aptos balance for this and transfer some Aptos to your wallet. I had some USDC on this wallet, so I just swapped that for Aptos, and let's click on confirm swap, approve the transaction. The fees is very low here, that is good, and we got $20 worth of transactions. Now we need to do same with USDT, approve the transaction, and it is also submitted. So these steps are also covered. Now we need to go to liquid swap stake, and we need to stake $0.1 worth of Aptos. So let's go. So we go to stake, click on stake, and stake some Aptos. So minimum amount is 10.001, so we will do that. Click on stake. So looks like the staking feature is not working yet, so I'll just stake it on this wallet only. You can just use the stake option here. Let's stake 1 Aptos, and it has been staked here. So if this is working for you, this is a better option, but let's move on to the next option, that is liquid swap Aptos plus USDC. We need to put in here. So on liquidity pools, you need to scroll down and find this USDC and Aptos pool, add liquidity here. Let's add $1 worth of USDC, and similarly that Aptos, click on add liquidity, confirm, provide confirmation on your wallet, and close. So this step is also done. Let's click on green. Now another one is USDT and Aptos. So similarly, let's find the USDT pool, click on add liquidity, add $1 worth of USDT here, and it will show the relevant amount of Aptos, that is 0.1. Add liquidity, confirm, approve, and it is successfully added. This step is also done. Again, USDC Aptos, USDT Aptos swap we need to do to go back from USDT to Aptos. So let's go to our swap and convert all the balances back to Aptos. Click on approve and it should be done, and this step is also done. I'll convert USDT back to Aptos once again because you know how to do it now. This step is also done. Now we need to bridge Aptos to Polygon again, get our Aptos back. So the bridging takes time, so my bridging is still underway. So this is Aptos to Polygon, then we'll convert it back to Aptos. Going to take some time, so we'll do it later, but you know how to do it now. Just swap this, just choose Aptos here and Polygon here, and it should be done. So we have also covered this, and so everything has been covered. Steps for these are same, steps for these are same. So I'm trying to keep the video short, it's already very long. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this airdrop update. You need to create a lot of volume. I know it's going to take a little bit of time, but don't do it in one sitting. Just do a transaction, take a walk, come back and do this, so on. Total fees has been calculated by our admin. That's $12 by him, so it might be $20-25 if the network is congested. So it depends on your luck. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
चाहती दौलत बेशुमार, उसी दिन का इंतजार, मुझे प्यार, मुझे गुलाबी नोटों से इकरार, मुझे हूँ ऐसे कैसे मेरा क्या कसूर, लाज मुझको जीना इसका मुझे है फितूर, जाना दूर होके मशहूर बाकी फिजूल मजबूर यहाँ